Hello everyone, welcome to Study Point Live. So in our last two classes we have basically discussed about the matrix addition and subtraction, and we have solved the inter exercise of 8.1 and 8.2 also. And from this class onwards basically we will discuss about the matrix multiplication, and let us start with the exercise number 8.3. They have basically matrix multiplication. Now see how to multiply a matrix. Suppose A into B we have to find, and A matrix is given, the value of A matrix is given A, B, C, D, and the value of B matrix is given E, F, G, H. Now if we want to multiply this with this matrix, so we have to do like that. We have to multiply this row with this column. Now see how to multiply this one. A into E, that is AE, plus B into G, that is BG. It means we have to move from the left to right for the first matrix, and we have to move from the top to bottom for the second matrix. And by this way only we have to multiply A into E plus B into G. And by the same process only again we have to do this one. See the entire this row matrix, and now move to the second column. The entire row already have multiplied with the first column. Now this same row again will be multiplied with the second column. See A into F plus B into H. This is all about the row, first row. Now if we move to the second row, how it will be operate? See again this row will be multiplied with this column, and then for the next one this row again will be multiplied with the second column. See C into E, it will be CE, plus D into G, it is DG. Now this row already has multiplied with this one, the first column. Now if we multiply this row with the second column, how it looks like? It will be like that, CF plus DH. See, C into F plus D into H. So from here we can say that if we want to multiply two matrices, first step is we have to go from the left to right for the first row, and we have to come from the top to bottom for the first column. Now that row will be fixed, but we have to move for the second column, and the thing will be like that. And by this process the entire multiplication will be going on. Now see if we want to find the value of B into A, here we have already found AB. Now here we want to find B into A. See, first write this all. So from here already we have written the value of B matrix and A matrix. Now we have to multiply. See if we multiply and write the value over here, how it looks like. See here this term, this row will be multiplied with this column. So after multiplying it will be AE or EA, whatever you can say, EA into FC, that is plus FC. Okay. And if we move for the second column, so it will be multiplied with this one, EB plus FD. Now if we go for the second row, this row will be multiplied with this one, AC, that is AG plus HC. Now the same row will be multiplied with the second column. So after multiplication the value will be like that, G into B plus H into D. So this is the value of B into A matrix. Now if we find for the first one, see here AE plus FC, here AE, but as the second term has changed, so the entire value will be changed. If we go for this element, see here EB plus FD, here entire thing is different, entire element is different. Here also, see, these two elements are different, here also these two elements are different. So from here we can conclude that if the value of A and B matrix is fixed, then also A into B matrix is not equal to B into A matrix. It means that we have to put the value at first, which one is the first matrix. Means if A into B we want to find, so we have to put the value of A matrix first, and then we have to multiply, we have to give the multiply sign, and then we will put the value of B matrix. So this is the basic thing. And before going to the chapter, I want to say one thing. In our introduction already I have said that unit matrix. So let us say that unit matrix is denoted by I, whatever the order of the matrix may be. And another thing is there, before going to the chapter, we have to know this thing. See, what is the condition? They have a condition basically to multiply two matrix. So what is the condition that we must have to satisfy to multiply the two matrix? Suppose here A, B, C, and here D, E, F. So what is the order of this matrix? First, number of row, that is 3, then the number of column, that is 1, and here number of row, that is 1, and then the number of column, that is 3. Okay, now let us multiply this thing. See how it will be multiplied. First we have to fix this one, and then we have to come downward. So A into D, AD, A into E, AE, A into F, AF. Then we have to move to the next row, and we have to multiply the vertically column wise with the next matrix. See BD, BE, BF. See this one, CD, CE, CF. Now what is the order of this one, the ultimate answer? What is the order of this one? See, the order will be 3 by 3. So to multiply a matrix, the row of the number of row of the first matrix should be equal to the number of column of the second matrix. Then only it is possible to multiply, and the order of the ultimate answer also will be this by this. See, 3 by 3. If we want to multiply like that, means this one, then ABC. So we have to go by this, and we have to come by this one. So what's the order of this one? It is 1. See, the order of this one is 1 by 3, and order of this one is 3 by 1. So if we multiply this one, how the answer will look like? See, we have to go row wise and we have to come column wise. D A plus E B plus F C. So this is the entire matrix. So what will be the order of this one? See, one row and one column. After adding this, we will get a single value only. So one row and one column. See, here also the number of row of the first matrix and the number of column of the second matrix. That is the order of this row. See, before going to the exercise, just let me tell one thing. Suppose A and B, we have to multiply this. What's the order of this one? That is 1 into 2, and order of this should be 2 into something, suppose 2, A, B, C and D. So the resultant matrix that will form, the order of that one will be 1 by 2. Okay, but 1 by 2. But this only, this case only I have said you just now. But one thing I have forgot to tell you, that see, these two should be equal always. Means the number of column of the first matrix, that should be equal to the number of the second matrix. So you can say that if the number of column of the first matrix does not match with the number of row of the second matrix, so for that kind of matrix, the matrix multiplication is not possible. Let us solve the question number 4 from exercise 8.3. See, in this question, A matrix is given and B matrix is given, and we have to find the value of A into B into A. As because there are the bracket, so first we have to find the value of B into A, and whatever the value of that matrix, then that will be multiplied with A. So let us find first BA from here. See, BA means first B matrix, that is 2 1 1 2, 2 1 1 2, and A matrix, that is 1 2 2 1. See how it will multiply. It is first it will go row wise and it will come column wise. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. So this is all about the first element. Next, this into this. So 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. This is all about the second element. See here, now it also come row wise and it will come column wise. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. See, after solving, the value will be like that. 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 1 plus 2, sorry, it will be into, not plus, 2, 1 into 1 1, plus 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, plus 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1 2, plus 2 into 1 2. After solving, it will be 2 plus 2 4, 5 5 4. So this is the value of BA, but we have to find A into BA. So let us solve over here. Now put the value of A matrix, that is 1 2 2 1, and as we have the value of this one BA, so put over here. By solving, if we say that 4 into 1 4, 2 into 5 10, 1 into 5 5, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 4 8, 1 into 5 5, 2 into 5 10, 1 into 4 4. See, it will be 14, 10 plus 4 14, 8 plus 5 13, 8 plus 5 13, it will be 14. So this is the value of this one, and the question was that we have to find the value of this one. So this will be the answer of question number 4. So let's move to question number 8. So here also A and B matrix is given, and we have to find the value of 2b minus a square. Now what is the value of a square? A square means A into A. So as we have the value of A, so if we multiply it twice, we will get the value of A square. So A matrix into A matrix, we will get the value of this one. Now see, same thing only, as because they have the multiplication sign, so we have to go here for the first matrix we have to go row wise, and for the second matrix we have to go for column wise. See, 1 into 1, 1, plus of minus 2 into plus 2, that is minus 4. So let it write within the bracket. Next one, 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2, plus of minus minus plus 2 into 1, that is 2. This is all about the first row of this one. Now let's move to the second row. See, for this one, 2 into 1, that is 2, plus of minus 1 into plus 2, that is minus 2. See, 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. So 1 minus 4, 2 minus 2, here minus 2 plus 2, here minus 4 plus 1. So it will cancel, it also will cancel. See, here it is minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. So this is the value of A square. So we also can write that minus 3 into common, as minus 3 as common. So here the term will be 1, 0, 0, 1, like that also. Okay, so put the value over here. See here, 2 into b, that is 3, 2, minus 2, 1, minus a square, that is minus, put the value like this only. Okay, see, if you multiply 2, it will be 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, 2 into 1, that is 2. Subtract minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. Now it is all about the subtraction that already we have done. Now how to subtract? Again I am saying this minus this and this minus this, like that only. See, 6 minus of minus 3, 6 minus of minus 3, 4 minus of 0, minus 4 minus 0, 2 minus of minus 3. See, from here 6 minus minus, it is plus 3, 4 minus 0, that is 4, minus 4 minus 0, that is minus 4, 2 minus minus, it is plus 3. So from here 6 plus 3 is 9, it is minus 4, it is 4, 3 plus 2, it is 5. So the answer is that 9, 4, minus 4 and 5. So next one is question number 9 part 1. See, here A, B and C matrix are given and we have to find the value of this one. So as because there are the first bracket, so first we have to find the value of B plus C. First we have to find the value of B plus C. So let us find the value. See, B is 2142, 2142 and C is 5174, 5174. So the same thing, 2 plus 5, 1 plus 1, 4 plus 7, 2 plus 4. Okay, now see, 2 plus 5, it is 7, 4 plus 7, 11, 1 plus 1, 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Now we have to find that A into B plus C. Now we have the value of B plus C. Now find the next thing over there, here, A into B plus C. See, as we know the value of A, so just put the A matrix and it will be into B plus C, that is 7 to 11, 6. 7 to 11, 6. See, 1 into 7, 7 plus 2 into 11, 22. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 6 it is 12. 3 into 7 21 plus 4 into 11 44. 3 into 2 6 plus 4 into 6 24. Now see, 7 plus 22 it is 29. 21 plus 44 it is 65. 12 plus 2 it is 14, and after addition this 2, the answer is 30. So this is the answer of 9.1. So our next question is question number 11. See, A matrix and B matrix are given, and we have to find the value of this one. To find the value of this one, we have to know the value of A square, AB and B square. So first let us try to find the value of A square. A square means A into A, that is 1 0 2 1, 1 0 2 1, again the same thing, 1 0 2 1. See, 1 into 1 it is 1, 0 into 2 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 2, 2 into 0 it is 0, 1 into 1 1. See here 1 0 4 1. This is the value of A square. Now let us find the value of B square from here. B square means B into B, and what is the value of B? Say 2 3 minus 2 3 minus 1 0, and that is again into 2 3 minus 1 0. See how it will multiply. 2 into 2 it is 4, 3 into minus 1 that is plus of minus 3, as because 3 into minus 1 it is minus 3 and 2 value will be added. So 2 into 3 it is 6, 3 into 0 it is 0, minus 1 into minus 2 that is minus 2, plus of 0 into this 0, minus 1 into 3 that is minus 3, 0 into 0 is 0. See, at least the value will be like that, 4 plus minus minus 3 minus 2 6 minus 3. So after calculating, the value will be 4 minus 3 1, minus 2 6 minus 3. So this is the value of B square. Now let us find the value of AB. So A matrix is 1 0 2 1. See, 1 0 2 1 into B matrix, that is 2 3 minus 1 0, 2 3 minus 1 0. See, 1 into 2 2, plus of 0 into something, that is 0, 1 into 3 that is 3, 0 into something, that is 0, 2 into 2 it is 4, plus of plus 1 into minus 1 that is minus 1, 2 into 3 it is 6, plus of 1 into 0 that is 0, 2 plus 0 2. See here 4 plus minus it is minus 1, 3 6. So from here we can say 2 3 3 6. So this is the all values of A square, B square and AB. Now let us put the value of over here. See, A square means 1 0 4 1, 1 0 4 1. What's the value of AB? That is 2 3 3 6. What's the value of B square? See from here 1 6 1 6 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, now as because there have the plus sign, so 1 plus 2 plus of minus 1, sorry, plus of 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1. See, 0 plus 3 plus 6, 0 plus 3 plus 6, 4 plus 3 plus of minus 2, 4 plus 3 plus of minus 2, 1 plus 6 plus of minus 3. 2 on 3 on 4, 4 plus 3 it is 7, plus minus it is minus 2, it is 9, 6 plus 1 7, plus minus it is minus 3. So let us write the value over here. So it is 4, it is 9, 7 minus 2 it is 5, and 7 minus 3 it is 4. So this is the value of a square plus ab plus b square. So this will be the answer of the question number 11. So let us try to solve the question number 30. Here we have to find two things. What should be the order of this M matrix, and also find the value of M. Now first let us try to find what is the order of M matrix. See, what's the order of this one? There are 1 row and 2 column. Now what's the order of this one? 2 by 2. As I said that if two matrix we have to multiply and we have to find the value of the multiplication of these two matrix. So as because they have the sign of the result is this, that is basically the combination of the row, that is row of first matrix and column of the second matrix. So from here we can conclude that the M, value of M, first the number of rows should be 1, and the number of column of the first matrix, that should be equal to the number of row of the second matrix. Okay, I will see what I mean actually. As I said in the introduction that whatever the order of the first matrix, the number of row of the first matrix and number of column of the second matrix, that will be the total combination of the order of the resultant. So it is exactly clear that the order of in the order of this M, the number of rows should be 1. Now what should be the number of column? As we are going to multiply these two matrix, so here the number of, see this one, the number of column of the first matrix, that should be equal to the number of row of the second matrix with which we have to multiply. So the order of the M will be 1 by 2. Now we have to find the value of M matrix also. See, if we want to find the value of M matrix, as because the multiplication this matrix is applied with M, so it should be divided over here, but we don't know how to do matrix division. That's why we have to do by using this. So let us 1, 2, see this is A and B, this is A and B, and 1, 1, 0, 2, that is equals to 1, 2. So let us find the value of A and B. If we get the value of A and B, then we will put the value of A and B and we will get the value of M matrix. Now how to solve? See, A into 1, that is A, B into 0, that is 0, A into 1, that is 1, plus B into 2, that is 2B. This is equals to 1, 2. See, 1 plus 0, A plus 0, that is A, and here A plus 2B. This is equals to 1 and 2. So by comparing both the sides, we can say that A is equals to 1 and A plus 2B is equals to 2. As because from here we have the value of A, so let us put the value of A over here. Within bracket, right? Put the value of A. So 2B, that is equals to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So B is equals to half. So from here we have the value of A and B. So what is the value of A matrix? That is, see, A, B. So what is the value of A? That is 1. What is the value of B? That is 2. Half. So this is the value of A matrix. So let us stop the class over here. All the remaining sum you just try to solve by yourself. I am also giving the PDF link of this exercise 8.3 in the description. You just download the PDF from there and try to solve all the remaining sums. And on the next class I'll try to show you some different kinds of sums from this exercise. And I think you guys are enjoying our class. All the physics, chemistry, math, all the subjects are going very smoothly. So stay tuned with Study Point Live. Keep supporting us. like, subscribe and share our videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.